Yes. Yes. Talk to me, baby. What's going on? Huh? Really? Wow. Did you make a poopy today? Huh? Did you poop today? Yeah? Stinky booty? Yeah. Yep. How come you slept the whole time Grandma was here, huh? Huh, Zah'Mir? You slept the whole time Grandma was here. You are silly. It's so dark in our living room. Oh. Oh, I'm blocking the light. Stupid. Talk to me. Huh? You miss Daddy? Yeah? So handsome. You know you are, huh? Hmm? You chilling with Mommy? Yeah? Are you dancing? See how big you are. You sitting up chilling with Mommy, huh? You just woke up. You better not be tired. Dance, yeah. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Hello. Bless you. Baby got a little cold, huh? My poor sweetie. January 20th, your first sickness. First time you get a cold. Woo! Bless you. Bless the baby. Tickle, tickle. Uh-oh. You hungry? You hungry? Uh-oh. Okay, it's time to eat. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.